What do you know? A new pool hall in the neighborhood.
Oh no! Morph into a crane, Morphle!
Ages.
Oh, Twiggy, quick, get busy. We got us a new customer to card. Hello, Joe. Take a free shot.
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
Now morph into a bridge, so those cars can get to the other side.
Shot.
Wow, that's better than I remember.
Say, you aren't by any chance here for the big contest today?
Wow! Where did this hole come
Well,
from?
whosoever
Look.
beats the champion.
A giant shark
It's a
fin!
free lifetime pass to Buzz
Free is my favorite
Morphle,
thing.
morph into a giant slide!
Thank you, Mila and Morphle.
25, 16,
Look at those buildings.
Yeah, $79, and you're good to go.
Hey, that's all the dough I got.
But the good news is, if you,
Morphle, morph
when you
into a
win,
crane
you
again.
get the entry fee back with your lifetime of free pool. The game is, first one to knock in 100 balls wins.
You're on, buddy.
Phew.
Hey, that ball shouldn't have done that.
I'm glad you lifted those buildings up, Morphle. It was so dark underground. Phew.
Do you know what is making all of these holes, Daddy?
I think I do. Look! It's an earth shark.
I sunk 'em all.
Wow.
Your turn again. We'll see you this one.
Hi, Earth Shark!
I don't think the earth shark is in the city to cause damage. It's just looking for a human companion. Is that right, earth shark? I think I know just the right companion for you.
What's going on here? Huh? Oh, I missed that.
So it's your shot again.
Last time I ever get involved with it.